Meet the UB10 and UB50 box cameras, built for demands of modern video production. Seamlessly integrating into Panasonic workflows, it delivers the signature look and color space with the same sensor as the UE160 and UCX100. Are you ready to expand your setup with these new shooting angles? The minimal box body design makes the cameras fit diverse applications, including production styles using tripods and gimbals. Mounted on a gimbal, the UB10 or UB50 delivers fluid motion with high sensitivity. In addition, detailed expressions can be captured even in low-light environments, thanks to the wide dynamic range. On a slider, it enables sleek controlled shots perfect for interviews, product demos, and even concerts. With a magic arm, it fits into tight spaces, adding creative versatility to any setup. The large format sensors achieve a shallow depth of field for emotional expressions for cinematic look. ProRes RAW recording over HDMI from the UB10 and UB50 is supported with the Atomos Ninja or Shogun series for high-end recordings. Take your production to new heights, literally. Mounted on a drone, the UB10 and UB50 deliver stunning aerial perspectives with Panasonic's signature image quality. Thanks to the support of NDI HX2, the cameras can be used in multi-camera productions within the Panasonic ecosystem. Media Production Suite can be used to check the camera information such as firmware version and to configure the camera's network settings. The Lumix Tether software can be connected for batch start and stop recording and remote control of the camera. The UB10 and UB50 can be controlled with the HRP 1010 remote panel, just like any other box camera, for unified operation. Versatile and seamless, powerful, the UB10 and UB50, designed for your production needs.
Panasonic.